Hi, this is SP from Better Podcasting and GetAGeek.com. Today, I have just a little bit of a test that I'm running for Stephen Reilly, the network over at GetAGeek.com and my co-host on Better Podcasting. He asked me a question. He asked me if the dongle for the new iPhone, the Lightning iPhone, can support a microphone into it. And what I did is I gathered up my iRig Pre. I put a battery in it because I don't store it with the battery in it because I've had too many things like remote controls and stuff like that go bad because the battery in it went bad. So put a 9-volt battery in it. I hooked in the blue Encore 100 via an XLR cord all the way into the iRig Pre, set the gain, and then pumped it into BossJockStudio, which is an app I'm running on the phone right now. And hopefully, if all goes well, this microphone is actually transmitting into the iPhone, which then proves that the dongle, the Lightning dongle, can actually support the 3.5 millimeter microphone into the Lightning port into the phone. So there you go. I think this has been a successful test. If you like more successful tests like this, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the Gonna Geek Gear channel or head on over to GonnaGeek.com and you can catch a variety of geeky content, including tech reviews, evaluations, and a whole bunch of other entertainment news and discussion. We'll see you over there. Bye.